Okay, I'm here at the CO2Meter booth. I've got Morgan Morris, Vice President of Marketing. 20-year anniversary this year for CO2Meter. Morgan, talk to us about where you guys started and where you are today.
Yeah, Tim, super exciting. This is a huge milestone for us. You know, it's been since 2006 where we first started the company, where our initial goal in mind was just to be a CO2 safety provider in the indoor air quality space. And it's super rewarding just to see us evolve over time. And, you know, now we're not just looking at CO2 in one space. We're able to measure over 40 different gases across multiple industries and applications. And we're being used in over 150 different countries today. So full turnkey gas safety operations from where we started.
Wow, that's incredible growth in just 20 years, I'll say that. Working with these GAWDA distributors the last several years, what are some of the things that you've learned and you've kind of picked up on as you've worked this market?
Yeah, you know, what's super interesting for us still is that there is truly still a gap when it comes to safety in the field, when it comes to gas distributors. A lot of times they'll look just externally and how they can protect and provide gas safety for the end user, but what they really need to do is look first at their own operations and their own facility. You know, are you protecting your own people and keeping them safe? That's really what it's all about. It's first protecting your people and then being able to offer gas safety externally to the end user and being able to even grow from that.
Love that. So think about what an ideal distributor would look like for CO2Meter. What would all that encompass?
Yeah, so I think the ideal gas distributor for us is someone that's just really proactive when it comes to gas safety in a culture, making sure that you can first protect your people and then really be that advocate for your own customers in the field. And what that can really do for you is not only are you providing gas safety for your customers, but it's actually going to give you incremental revenue over time by being able to offer not only the equipment, but making it into a reoccurring revenue stream with the certification and calibration. So really it can go a long way for the gas distributor.
Yeah, that makes total sense. Well, there you go. Quick update here from Morgan. Thank you for everything that you guys do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you. Jackson, missing Josh this time, and congratulations with Travis and Nicole back at home, 20-year anniversary. That's awesome. So